N, 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 N. Hello Foodie Phonics friends. I hope you're excited for today's Foodie Phonics cooking adventure. We're learning about the letter N today. Letter N makes a sound in words. Are you ready? That's a funny sound, isn't it? For nose. Your nose knows what to do. Nose. The big letter N makes a sound for names like Nala, Neville. What does your name start with, I wonder? And the small letter N makes a sound for words like nose, noodles, and our special recipe for today, Naan Nibbles. That's right, we're going to make naan bread. I wonder if you know where bread comes from. Shall we have a look? Over here, I have a bag of flour. Can you see the little pictures on the flour bag? Those are called wheat plants. And there are farmers who grow wheat for us, and then they have harvesting machines that pick the wheat plants, and then they have big grinding machines that grind the wheat up into flour. And flour is what we use to make our bread with. And today we are going to use flour to make our naan nibbles. I've already made some dough over here. You can see it's very sticky dough. So I'm going to sprinkle some of our flour over the dough. A little sprinkle, whoops, little sprinkle. And then, this is the fun part. You get to knead the flour into the dough with your hands. What do we have to do first before we touch any food with our hands? That's right, we have to wash all the germs off our hands. As you know, I don't have a basin in my classroom, so I'm going to use a disinfectant wipe to clean all the germs off my hands. There we go, give them a good wipe. That's it, each finger, my thumb, top of my hand, palm of my hand, and my right hand. Each finger, top of my hand, palm of my hand. My hands are ready to knead that dough. I'll just put my dirty wipe into my bin back there. I'm going to push the flour into the dough. Oh, you can see how sticky it is. And I'm going to turn it over. Very sticky dough. And I'm going to knead the other side with a bit more flour. Sprinkle it on top. Can you see there? Pat, pat, pat. This one as well. Flatten it down. And then I'm going to turn it over. Sprinkle some more flour. Pat, pat, pat. And knead that dough. There you go. Now your naan dough is ready for the cooking part. This is where you have to ask an adult to help you, because you have to fry the naan bread in a pan on the hot stove. Please don't touch the hot stove. Only let an adult do the cooking for you. Would you like to know the recipe for my naan bread? To make the dough, you have to have 1 cup of flour. This is a cup size. And you have to have 2 tablespoons of flour. 1 and 2 tablespoons of flour. And then you have to have 1 cup of yogurt, plain white yogurt. You mix them all into a big ball of dough. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your board. I'm using non-stick baking powder. And then you sprinkle more flour on top of the dough and you push and knead. And so quick, so easy, you have delicious naan nibbles. Now I like my naan with some hummus spread on top. I've sprinkled some turmeric into my hummus, so it looks a little bit yellow like mustard, but it's yellow hummus on my naan nibbles. Shall I have a little taste? Okay, here goes. Oh, that is so yummy. The naan bread is soft on the inside. Munch, munch, crisp on the outside. And my naan gives it a lovely savoury flavour. I have some more naan over here, which I sprinkled some cheese on top of. Whoopsie daisy. I'll hold it carefully for you to see. You can put any topping on top of your naan. whichever is your favorite food to eat. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's Naan Nibbles Foodie Phonics. I'll see you tomorrow for some more cooking and baking. Bye for now.